Rolling. Hold. Sorry, my bad. And one, two, three, go.
Hello, I'm Shivdeep. I'm the dealer of Indian Oil. Uh, Outlet name is Road Boss Truck Stop, Chitradurga. I've come all the way from Chitradurga to Pune just to understand what is the startup Repos is trying to do something new in technology in fuel dispensing. We have conventionally seen that everything happens at the outlet, but something mind-boggling that I've seen today is fantastic technology embedded IoT solutions that nobody has thought through so far, but Rappos has found it and cracked the code. So I'm from a technology background, and I found this very exciting to see that how you don't bind yourself in a three wall, but how are you able to go beyond three walls and then have a greater reach to make sure you service the customer, not just pure fuel, but fuel with technology. So the innovation that these guys have done is fantastic, and I strongly recommend. And I'm planning to go back, identify the market, and see how we can partner with Rappos. And I find it very the new way they call future of fuel. So I completely endorse it. These guys are doing something very innovative about future of fuel. All the best, and it's a great start.